What's up everybody, welcome back. So Wondershare Filmora is running an amazing campaign called Filmora Fun Collage, and you can join right now to win exciting prizes like DJI Pocket 2 Creators Combo, which includes the gimbal camera and the DJI microphone, which is excellent. The second prize is $200 creator fund, and the third prize is Filmora Plus effects and plugin license. The campaign will run from 25th May to 26th June, so hurry up. The winners will be announced on 1st of July. Now I will show you how to enter into Filmora Fun Collage campaign. First, download the software for desktop or mobile phone and use the templates that are provided in the software, which is very easy to use. Export the video, upload into your Facebook, Twitter, IG, etc. and make sure you add this hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. So let's get started. First, download the software. Now I have the software downloaded on my computer. This is Filmora 12. Now in the templates tab, you will find this new template hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. So click here, or you can simply search this in the search box. Templates are so easy to use, and without expert editing experience, you can make professional quality videos, especially for your college festivals, your daily life at your college, spring break, daily vlogs, graduation ceremony, to-do list, or any viral video. And most importantly, you can create shorts for your YouTube shorts, your IG story. So this is the ultimate template list for the college goers. I will show you some of the templates I have downloaded and tried personally, and also will show you how to edit them. So simply click and preview it before you apply. Awesome. To use the template, simply drag and drop into your timeline and everything is ready for you. Simply replace the content on the video with your own. Now for a smoother playback, I want to render the video because this is highly edited and it will lag a little bit if you have a relatively low power computer. So it's ready. Let me quickly show you a few more available collage templates that are free of cost on your Filmora 12. Now let me show you how to edit the templates. So rendering is done. First thing I want to do is change this text. So let me change it to New York University. This collage is for a music and art festival at the New York University. So it's done just like that. Let me delete this. So this is the output. I want to change the dates here, so the procedure is same. Simply double click on the text fill and change it. Now I want to change some photos and videos. There is a photo of a tree in the background, so I want to replace it with a video. Now if you have your own content, you can upload it into Filmora and simply replace it, or you can search in the stock media. I am searching for concert photos, so here is a list of photos and videos you can choose from. These are very high quality photos and videos you can use free of cost. I think this will be perfect, so let's download and drag and drop. Now you get two options to replace or insert. So I will replace it because I want the video to fit into the content I am replacing. So this is how it's done. It's as easy as that. No editing experience or expertise is needed. You can do it for the rest of the clips just like that. I want to also change the music, so for that also you can download from the audio tab. Simply search here, find the perfect audio, drag and drop. So guys, participate in the campaign right away. The deadline is ending very soon. Win exciting prizes and make sure you add your hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. So have fun creating, upload into your social media and make amazing quality videos with Filmora 12. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.